Are you tired of AI tools that make your content sound robotic and nothing like you? Well, that's exactly what the Authenticity Engine fixes. This brand new AI copywriting tool by John Thornhill and Randy Smith helps you create authentic, high-converting content that sounds 100% like your real voice. And right now, you can grab it for just $9.95, plus my $43,000 exclusive bonus bundle. So what is the Authenticity Engine? It's a custom GPT-powered AI that learns your tone, rhythm, and style, whether you're a coach, marketer, freelancer, or content creator. Instead of sounding generic, it mirrors your unique voice so your emails, ads, and posts actually connect with your audience. Here's what makes the Authenticity Engine a total game changer. First, Authenticity Engine GPT, a custom AI trained to write exactly like you. No more robotic sentences, just natural, personality-driven copy. Second, Brand Voice Starter Sheet. Define your tone and keep it consistent across every platform. Third, 10 marketer style guides. Choose from proven templates if you're still discovering your voice. 4. Voice Command Vault. Access 140+ ready-made prompts for instant hooks, headlines, and ideas. 5. White Label Option Upgrade. Rebrand and resell it as your own tool for extra income. All this for under $10. Seriously unbeatable. Let's keep it real. Here are the pros and cons. Pros: one-time payment, no subscriptions. Writes in your own authentic style. Beginner-friendly and super easy to use. Backed by trusted creators John Thornhill and Randy Smith. Cons: limited time launch pricing goes up soon. You might be tempted by the awesome upgrades because they're that good. And remember, when you grab the Authenticity Engine through my special link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. That's over 300+ premium tools, templates, and software resources designed to help you grow faster, work smarter, and scale your online business effortlessly. So, if you're ready to finally create AI content that sounds authentically you, click the link in the description right now. Grab the Authenticity Engine for just secure your $43,000 bonus bundle and start writing content that connects, converts, and builds trust. But hurry, the price goes up after November 23rd, so act fast.